Here we will write a Python program to print dictionary values, where keys are the numbers and values are the square of keys. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will define empty dictionary. So d equal to, here we will use dict function. Here we will accept number of keys from the user that we are going to print. So n equal to int input, enter number of keys. Here we can print these dictionary values with range function or using while loop. First we will use range function. So first we will print the message. So for x in range with 1 comma n plus 1, and we will store square values in dictionary. So d of x equal to x exponential 2. Here we have used exponential operator, and then we will print d. Next we will print dictionary values using while loop. So first I will print the message. I will define one variable I which is initialized with 1, and I will use while loop. So while I less than or equal to n, and I will store dictionary value as d of I equal to I exponential 2, and we will increment I. So I equal to I plus 1, and then we will print d. Then we will save this, and we will execute this. I will enter number of keys as 5. It will print dictionary values with range function as 1, 2, square of 2 is 4, then square of 3 is 9, 16 and 25.